So guys, nandito ulit tayo sa pinaka ano nila, piazza or pinaka square dito sa baba. At maraming tao dito ang nakatambay. At may mga paano sina mama. May mga event organizers. O di ba kita nyo, may mga event organizers. Ayan, may mga ano sila. Oh, so this is it. Ayun nga lang, sa ganitong oras, hindi nyo nakita yung mga view. Ano bang kakain natin tonight?
I don't know.
Sabi mo gusto mo pizza.
Gusto mo pala ng pizza eh.
Arrosticini din naman dito. Everything is arrosticini. Sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, yung mga tipong gutom na gutom ka na, kahit ano kakainin mo na. Pero this time, si Mark nag-decide na gusto niyang kumain ng pizza. So, ang ganap, kakain kami ngayon ng pizza. Kahit na ang pinaka-typical food or pinaka-typical na pagkain dito sa lugar na ito is arrosticino or mga barbecue na maliliit.
That's it.
Okay, so we're here. Let's open the menu. I'm eating pizza. Pizza lang ako, guys. So, alam niyo yung typical na food dito sa lugar na to. Palagi silang may arrosticino or the barbecue na maliliit na ganyan. Palagi silang may ganyan. Pero, hindi naman tayo pwede kumain nun, kaya pizza lang tayo, guys. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung kung magkano yung yung pizza nila. Murang-mura. 5 euro yung marinara, 6 euro yung margherita. O, diba? Makasabi lang ako na mas mura yung pizza dito, pero sa totoo, parang parehas na ang presyo nila sa Milan kasi 6 euro yung margherita. Eh, parang may mga pizzeria naman sa Milan na makakakain ka ng 6 euro na pizza. Ano sa tingin mo? Okay guys, I am going to eat, ano ba yan? Calzone, the small calzone.
Why you cut it?
Can I? Have you taken a picture?
Yeah.
Can I? This is vegetarian calzone.
No, I hate you.
I can see the zucchini. Parang masarap.
Yeah, it smells fresh.
Diba? And the dough is good. Shit. Bon appétit. Guys, this is the version here ng palagi kong in-order. Ganun talaga ako. Wala tayong magagawa. Uy, masarap ha, creamy. Maalala mo kung anong dapat natin gawin?
Ano?
Kailangan mo i-check kung nanalo ka sa Euro Million. Euro Million ba yun? Euro Jackpot. Right? Missing. Look mo ang Euro Jackpot. Okay, so
17.
ano daw? 4, 17, 32, 32, 44, ano ba yun? Puro haging. 34, haging. 49,
And two number euro stock. It's 4 and 9.
4 and 9. Mayroon ka 9. 9, isa.
But I don't know how it works.
And we still have the 2 Grate Vinci. You do this. What do you want? Why?
I'm tired.
We are eating your tired. Okay, we're already scratching our
I remember that.
games. Because if we win this, we're going to buy a property here in Spoltore. How do you pronounce it? Spoltore or Spoltore? Spoltore. we win?
Well, not yet. I only scratched 3,
Have we won?
Just wait, ha?
Yeah, exactly. Why are you so excited?
And because I'm excited. What's the problem with being excited? Maybe we're rich now already.
€5.
Now you know how to play, ah. Who taught you to play?
Buy another one.
That's why I don't buy this shit.
No, he already won 500.
I won 500. I won 100. I won 500.
That's
I
why
mean,
the
that's how
vicious
they
circle.
cute.
That's why.
My
What?
Daniela's mother
41.
very lucky.
Mahal, so we're not buying a property in Cultura. Right?
It's remaining 4 to 1. What's not why it's not happening?
It didn't happen. But if it's 41, then we 200,000. Okay. Dahil nga sa hindi kami naka-attend sa mga show sa iba't ibang lugar dito, we decided na this time, dahil dadating si Morgan, we're going to watch his show.
Abbiamo sfidato l'amore quasi per giocarci soltanto per poco arrivederci.
Okay guys, nakakaloka kasi nag-arrivederci na si Morgan. tapos na yung spektakulo or yung show. Dumating kami kasi ang tagal kasalanan to dun sa pizza. Kasi ang tagal nung kinain namin pizza. But anyway, yeah. Nag-arrivederci na siya. This is his last song. Hindi na rin kami pumunta. Sinilip na lang namin ng very very light. 'Di ba? Hindi rin masyado maraming tao, no?
Yes,
Ang dilim.
€5.
Now you know how to play, ah. Who taught you to play?
Buy another one.
That's why I don't buy this shit.